Hi, thank you for joining us. These are the materials we need today: scissors, pattern, interfacing, fabric, pins, thread, elastic cord and a pen. We're now going to mark the pattern on the fabric with the pen. We folded the fabric in half so we could cut 2 pieces at a time. Please do mark those little cuts on the sides. We're going to need them later. We're going to hold the 2 pieces of fabric with pins, so when we start cutting, the pieces won't separate. Those little marks on the side, we're going to cut them just a tiny cut. Those are going to be the marks that are going to help us fold the face mask. If the interlining you received is soft, cut a piece with the size of the face mask and iron it to one of the layers. Now we're going to take the first cut and we're going to fold it till we reach the 3rd cut, and we're going to hold the fold with pins. Then we repeat on the other side. Now we're gonna iron them so the folds will stay in place and we can't remove the safety pins. Now we're gonna put both fronts facing and hold the 2 of them with pins. Before we start sewing, we're going to put the elastic cords on each side. We're going to sew it all around except for one tiny gap that we're going to leave to turn the face mask inside out. We can use a pair of scissors to help us with the corners. Once we're done, we're gonna iron the face mask and sew around the edge. The gap we left can be used to insert a filter. Those of you who receive stiffer interlinings, you can cut rectangles to use as filters. Take the fabric that is already cut and mark the center of the fabric so we can place the straps in the back. Here we're using recycled fabric for the strap, but you have received nylon strap. You just need to cut 2 pieces of 6-8 centimeters, then hold it with pins to the fabric. Then we're gonna sew it on the top and the bottom so we can put through a belt. Fold following the cuts on the sides and hold with pins. We're gonna sew the edge, so we are holding the flap. Last, we fold the pouch and hold with pins. We're gonna sew around, first with a straight stitch and then with zigzag to strengthen the seam.